How to buy XRP on Etoro 2024. Open the Etoro app or visit the website. Ensure you have at least $10 in your Etoro account. This is the minimum amount required for investment. Click on Discover, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type XRP and click on Trade when XRP appears in the search results. Select the amount you want to invest. Note that the minimum investment is $10. If you have at least $10 in your account, you can proceed with a direct trade. If not, consider making an order such as a limit order. Explore additional options like limit orders or shorting based on your preferences. Adjust the settings according to your investment strategy. Once you've set your preferences, click on Confirm at the bottom of the screen. If you are directly investing, choose the amount, for example $10, and confirm the trade. That's how you can buy XRP on Etoro 2024.